Who are you? Meaning explained in detail. Who are you is a question sentence. We use it to ask about a person's identity. In simple words, who are you equals asking about a person. Easy explanation. We say, who are you? When we want to know the name of a person, what the person does, why the person is there. It is often used when you meet someone new or do not know the person. Very easy examples with explanation. Who are you? A teacher asked, who are you? More simple example sentences. He asked me, who are you? The guard said, who are you? She politely asked, who are you? Daily life examples. A stranger may ask, who are you? In school, teachers may ask, who are you? In movies, characters often say, who are you? Student sentence. Someone asked me, who are you? Easy memory trick. Who are you equals ask about a person.